So do you know when is the Independence Day of India?
15th August
And year?
1950.
1950.
15th August 1947.
What is the capital of Lakshadweep?
Lakshadweep.
No idea.
That I'm not sure about.
This Daman and Diu, maybe?
Daman and Diu.
No.
Amravati.
It's Amravati.
Amravati is the capital of Lakshadweep.
और आपको क्या लगता है?
It's Kavarati.
It's Kavarati.
Yes, you got that right. So it is Kavarati.
Okay.
Amravati नहीं Kavarati. What is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir?
Jammu and Kashmir. Capital?
It's Kashmir.
Srinagar.
Srinagar.
Jammu only, right? It's Srinagar.
क्या लग रहा है एक ही कैपिटल है?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One only.
एक कैपिटल है या दो कैपिटल्स हैं?
Not sure about that.
जम्मू एंड कश्मीर का कैपिटल क्या है?
No, pass please.
For summer it's Jammu and for winter it's Kashmir.
In summer it is Srinagar and in winter it's Jammu.
बिल्कुल सही जवाब. तो जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के बेसिकली दो कैपिटल्स हैं, ठीक है. समर्स में इट इज़ श्रीनगर एंड विंटर्स में इट इज़ जम्मू.
Okay.
Okay.
सो यू वर पार्शली राइट.
Srinagar. Sorry, Srinagar.
सो हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ LAC?
No.
तो जैसे LOC होता है ना, वैसे LAC भी है. तो आपको LAC की फुल फॉर्म बतानी है.
No, I don't know, lad.
I don't have much idea about that.
LAC.
I only know the lakhs that we have in rupees.
पैसे वाला.
Pepe wala.
LAC.
Yes, I guess it's made from the insect lac.
Lac. Yeah.
What is it?
Lac. No.
What is the full form of LAC? LAC का full form क्या है?
I don't know.
No.
No, I don't know.
No, I don't know. Sorry.
Nope.
Sorry, can we please just stop?
Do you know where it is?
No.
No clue.
LAC. Lac. Yeah, lac.
LAC का full form क्या है?
I just know that it is in Ladakh.
What's your final answer?
Line of action control.
Line of actual control.
Okay, actual control.
तो लोगों को यूजुअली LOC का तो पता होता है लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल, बट LAC का है लाइन ऑफ एक्चुअल कंट्रोल.
Okay.
I'll remember. Thanks.
गेस द बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ महात्मा गांधी. क्या आपको महात्मा गांधी का बर्थ प्लेस का नाम पता है?
Birthplace. Don't remember.
Yeah, I don't. एक second.
It's in Gujarat. It's in Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar.
Gandhinagar.
It's Gandhinagar in Gujarat.
I don't remember.
What's your final answer?
It's Gandhinagar, Gujarat.
Gandhinagar is the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi.
Ahmedabad only. Yeah. Porbandar.
तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है पोरबंदर. पोरबंदर इज द बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ महात्मा गांधी.
Okay. Yeah,
Oh.
Porbandar. Yeah, sorry.
So what is Independence Day called in Hindi?
Swatanta Divas.
Swatantra Divas. Swatantra Divas.
Swatantrata Divas.
Swatantra Divas.
Swatanta Divas.
स्वतंत्रता दिवस.
Swatantrata Divas.
Swatantrata Divas.
अब आपको बताना है डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंडिपेंडेंस डे एंड रिपब्लिक डे ऑफ इंडिया.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एक्चुअली हमारा लिखा गया था. इट्स 26 जनवरी एंड इट्स इम्प्लीमेंटेड ऑन 15th August.
आर यू श्योर?
या श्योर.
Independence Day is the day we got our independence, and Republic Day is the day we formed our constitution.
Constitution got implemented on Republic Day and we got independence on Independence Day.
So do you know the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands?
Andaman and Nicobar.
Port Blair.
It's Port Blair.
It's Port Blair.
Port Blair.
It's Port Blair.
Port Blair.
Yes, indeed. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Good job. Okay, so what is the capital of Ladakh? Ladakh की capital क्या है?
Sorry, I don't know. I guess no, I don't know. Sorry.
Ladakh. It's Leh. Leh.
Leh.
Leh.
Leh.
Leh.
Leh.
Yes.
Leh it is.
ये तो बहुत इजी था. जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर कौन से साल में हुआ था? So I'll give you some options. 1901, 1911, 1919 और is it 1921? तो आपको एक ऑप्शन चूज करना है. तो आपको वो साल गेस करना है कौन से साल में ये अनफॉर्चुनेट इवेंट हुआ था.
I think 1911.
It's 1919.
1921.
1919.
1919.
So what's your final answer?
1921.
It's 1919.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm not sure, but I'll guess it's 1919.
Yes. So it is 1919.
Oh.
ओके, कुछ देशभक्ति गीत के नाम बता सकते हो?
I don't know.
कोई भी बोल दो,
No.
कोई भी देशभक्ति गीत.
I'm sorry, I really don't know.
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों और सारे जहां से अच्छा.
साथ ही कदम बढ़ाना.
जंगन मंगन.
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया. ये देश है वीर जवानों का. वंदे मातरम एंड
I can't remember anything right now.
तो अगर आपको इस देश के लिए कुछ करना होता, आप क्या करते हैं?
Okay, that's a great question.
Firstly, I would try to reduce the rape cases because I mostly feel that women are really not safe in India and no proper steps are taken for that.
I would firstly work on the medical infrastructure right now, considering how people are suffering in the present pandemic situation.
I would focus more on basic necessities of people who are in need, like medical attention and education services, educational facilities.
We need to literate more people and educate them.
Rape issues are there, जो कि रहते हैं, थे और आने वाले टाइम में भी रहेंगे. But I would still do something so that women get the empowerment and they get the security, sense of safety in their own country. They can roam around at any time of the day without having the threat in their minds कि नहीं somebody would grope them. Many women are facing that.
People are not even, serious about it. It's happening day by day, more and more. Like you can see in Delhi, it's quite common.
Parents भी इसीलिए permission नहीं देते हैं because they are not scared of what their child would do. They are scared of what the world would do to them.
The women are not allowed. Our girls are not allowed to roam, but boys are allowed. So this hypocrisy should not be supported by anyone.
If I'll caught that person, ठीक है, who did the crime, I'll gonna give him a statement of death straight away. Like I'm gonna, I'm not gonna wait for like this judiciary system, and I'm gonna straight say that you should die actually.
I would like to increase the number of hospitals and the medical colleges because I don't think we are getting enough doctors and most of the students have to go outside of India for medical studies.
In this COVID situation, what I realized, what our country is lacking is literacy. Like my mother is a teacher, I have seen students from her class drop just literacy, and one is poverty, just because they don't have enough money to buy a smartphone, so they cannot continue their classes, and their parents are asking them to just drop out for 1 year, 2 years. We don't know how long this COVID will spread.
Exactly.
Yes, and that will eventually lead to illiteracy. It is affecting the education.
We are not having as many institutions as US and Europe in top 100 of the world. So I guess we should focus more on those issues. They require attention.
One message for our brave army men. Indian Army के लिए कोई message है?
Indian Army,
I think they are doing the best job that they can and we are living because of them only. So I think just the power to them and thanks to them, and whole India is super proud of them.
they are doing really great for the nation. It takes literal selfless feeling to actually, fight and leave their families behind and give their lives for the nations. And the message I would like to portray to them, hats off guys, it takes literal courage. And I too have people who have been into army. My grandfather is a retired colonel and I'm from an army background, and I've seen the sacrifices they make for their families. These are the only people because of whom we can spend our nights and days without worrying.
Thank you for always helping our country and for always helping out the people.
I am really grateful to them. For example, I am having food in peace due to them only.
Yeah, they are doing the great work. Nobody can do all this stuff. Even I cannot go and fight for our country. It's a great thing to do.
We know that there are terrorists everywhere. They're planning to hit our country and everything, but we can sleep at night just because we know the fact that they are there. They are protecting us, putting their life in danger just for us people.
Not only to the army persons, but to their family, because they know what they are going for. And even after knowing that, the mother who, like my mother, would like I don't know whether she would agree for the same or not, but no mother can send their son after knowing that he will be going there and risking his life, and there are many chances that he will not be there with her. So not only to the person who are going there, but to their family also, because it takes a lot of courage to do that. I don't think common person will understand that.
All the best to them and all the love to them.
Hats off to you guys. Hats off.
Happy Independence Day to everyone.
Stay safe, enjoy, be a mask.
Happy Independence Day, everyone. Please celebrate it safely and be proud of being Indian.
Happy Independence to all the Indians, all the people who are living outside of India, yet they are Indians. Happy Independence to you, and I hope this patriotism that you guys are portraying, it keeps on living in hearts of everyone in India all the time.
Happy Independence Day to you all, and remember this, not only the police or army officers have this country to save for, we also have equal opportunity, and we should take the responsibility for keeping our country safe.
It's our country. We should take the responsibility to make it better. We cannot always blame the government that they are not doing this right. Somewhere we know we are also not playing our part, and if we play our part, our country would be a better place to live in, and this whole world would be a better place to live in.
सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं सुखी, ये गुलस्तां हमारा.
शबीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो.
साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना, एक अकेला थक जाएगा, मिलकर बोझ उठाना.
I am not good at singing, but Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा.
Beautiful.
Jai Hind.
So that was our special episode on Independence Day 2021. I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching this video. So be sure to press the like button right away. And if you guys are watching this video on Facebook, तो heart react ज़रूर दे देना. और दोस्तों आप जल्दी से नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के हमें ये बताओ दैट इफ़ यू हैड एन ऑप्शन टू डू समथिंग फॉर आवर कंट्री, व्हाट वुड दैट बी एंड व्हाई. तो जल्दी से नीचे कमेंट कर दो, और अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो वो भी कर लेना, और फेसबुक पे फॉलो भी कर लेना, और हमें सपोर्ट ज़रूर करना एंड हेल्प अस रीच 1 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स ऑन फेसबुक. और बस मैं यही आशा करता हूँ दैट आप सब ने इस वीडियो को काफ़ी एंजॉय किया होगा, एंड आई विल सी यू गाइज अगेन वेरी सून विथ अनदर एक्साइटिंग एपिसोड ऑफ क्विक रिएक्शन टीम. Until next time guys, please look after yourself, take care, and let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day from the entire team of QRT. Jai Hind.